So for lesson 2, we're going to express mass measurements in terms of a smaller unit. Model and solve addition and subtraction word problems involving metric mass. Okay, so this is a little similar to what we did yesterday with our length of measurement. Okay, so we still have that prefix of kilo, meaning 1,000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 3 kilograms would then be 3,000 grams. Going in reverse, 4,000 grams divided by 1,000 would then be 4 kilograms. 17 kilograms would then be 17,000. Okay, a little bit tricky here because of all the zeros, but we have 20,000 grams. Okay, so if we divide by 1,000, we're going to lose 3 zeros, and we'll end up with 20 kilograms. Okay, then we have 300 kilograms. We'll multiply that by 1,000. We're going to have 300,000 grams. Okay, now for number 2, we're going to convert the measurement into the smaller unit of grams. So again, 1 kilogram is 1,000, so we have 1,000 plus 500 to give us 1,500 grams. Okay, same thing here. 3 kilograms would then be 3,000 grams, so we have 3,715 grams. Next one, we have 17 kilograms, which from our chart over here we see is 17,000. Okay, now because our grams here only has 2 digits, that means we need to put 0 in the hundreds place and add our 84. So 17,084 grams. Same thing here with letter D. So our 25 kilograms becomes 25,000 grams. Okay, we have to put 2 zeros here so that we can keep our 9 in our ones place. Okay, now next one we're going to go in reverse order. So we have 7,481 grams. Okay, well, since we have 7 thousands, that means we have 7 kilograms and then 481 grams. So next one we have 210 kilograms, which is 210,000 grams. Okay, we have 90 grams, so we have to put 0 in the hundreds place in order to keep our 9 in our tens place. Okay, moving on to number 3, we're going to be solving some subtraction problems. So we have grams and grams. So what we're going to do is we can go ahead and line these up. Okay. Subtract them down, and we get 2,215 grams. Now letter B is a little bit different because we have to convert our 1 kilogram into 1,000 grams in order to subtract the 237 grams. Okay, so we rename 100 tens into 99 tens, and then 0 ones becomes 10 ones. Subtract these now, we get 763 grams. Okay, so for letter C, we're going to express it in the smaller unit. So we have mixed units, and we need to put it in the smaller unit, in this case, grams. So our 25 kilograms becomes 25,000 grams, and then we have 9 more grams after that. We're going to add that to 24,000 grams, and then add 991 grams to that. Okay, so now when we go through, add these up, we get 50,000 grams. Okay. Next one, we're going to do some subtracting. So again, we need it in the smaller units, so we're just going to go ahead and convert it right into grams. Okay. Now we get to our tens place, and we need to decompose. Okay, so 15 minus 9 is 6. Hundreds place, we need to decompose again. We get 6,660 grams. Okay, next we need to keep it in mixed units. Okay, it says right there. So 14 kilograms, 505 grams. Now, what's different about this one now is now we need to take our grams and put it into mixed. So our 4,000 grams is 4 kilograms, 288 grams, and we're going to be subtracting. Okay, so first we look at our grams, and we see that this is okay to subtract. Okay, we don't need to rename or decompose any kilograms. So we can go through and subtract. So 5 minus 8. So we're going to decompose 50 tens into 49. Okay, so we get 217 grams. And then over here we have 10 kilograms. Okay, now next one, same thing. We're going to be adding, but we're going to be keeping in mixed units. So we have 5 kilograms, 658 grams. Okay, next one we need to convert into 57 grams because of the 57,000, and then 481 grams. Okay, so we add these up. Okay, then we go to our kilograms. Okay, now looking at our grams, we notice that we have over 1,000 grams. So that means we can actually compose this into 1 kilogram, 139 grams. Okay, so now we have our final answer of 63 kilograms, 139 grams as our final answer. Okay, so moving on now to some word problems. Okay, just like our regular word problems, we have a tape diagram. We're going to solve it using a simplifying strategy or an algorithm, and then we're going to write our answer as a statement. So number 4, we have one package weighs 2 kilograms, 485 grams. Another package weighs 5 kilograms, 959 grams. We want the total weight of the 2 packages. Okay, so we have our 2 packages. Okay, so 2 kilograms, 485 grams. Okay, second package we can see is much larger. Okay. Okay, and we want to know the total. So we're trying to solve for the 2 packages. Okay, so we don't have a specific unit that we need to turn it in, so we can either convert them into grams or we can leave them mixed. Doesn't really matter because it's not clear in the question. I'm going to choose to leave it mixed, okay, just to save us a step. Okay, so we can go through and we can add these up. Okay. Now again, we have more than 1,000 grams, so we can actually rename this as 1 kilogram, 444 grams. Okay, and then we have the total weight of the 2 packages is 8 kilograms, because we have 7 from here, 1 from here, 444 grams. Okay, number 5, together. That's a big word because it means combined. Okay, a pineapple and watermelon weigh 6 kilograms, 230 grams. If the pineapple weighs 1 kilogram, 255 grams, how much does the watermelon weigh? Okay, so we have pineapple and a watermelon. Okay, we know the pineapple weighs 1 kilogram, 255 grams. Okay, the watermelon, I know is going to be larger because I see 6 here and only 1 over there. So, and I know watermelons are bigger, so I'm going to make this bar a little bit bigger. We're trying to find out the weight of the watermelon, so this is our unknown. Okay, but we know that our total is 6 kilograms, 230 grams. Okay, so now to solve this, since I'm being given the total, I know that I'm going to need to be subtracting. Okay, so before we start, we look at the grams, and we notice that we have more grams on the bottom than we do on the top. So I can't subtract these yet. So I'm going to decompose one of my kilograms and turn it into 1,000 grams. Okay, now I have a larger number on the top with my grams. Okay, so now we can go through and subtract. Okay, so when we subtract 1,230 minus 255, we end up with 975 grams. Okay, and then 5 minus 1 gets us 4 kilograms. Okay, so the watermelon weighs 4 kilograms, 975 grams. Okay. All right, number 6. Javier's dog weighs 3,902 grams more than Bradley's dog. Bradley's dog weighs 24 kilograms, 175 grams. We want to know how much does Javier's dog weigh. Okay, so we have to be careful because of this word more. So we have Javier and we have Bradley. Okay, now we know Bradley's dog has an exact weight, 24 kilograms, 175 grams. Now Javier's dog weighs more than Bradley's dog, so when I go to set up my tape diagram here, I'm going to make it a little bit longer. And I know that it's 3,902 grams more. Now we need to know how much does Javier's dog weigh. Okay, so our unknown is Javier. So one thing we see here is this is in grams, this is in mixed. Okay, our question doesn't specify which one we need, so we can actually do it either way. You can turn this into grams, or we can turn this into mixed. Okay, I'm going to turn it into mixed. So we have 24 kilograms, 175 grams. Okay, and I'm going to add that to 3 kilograms, 902 grams. Okay, I'm going to turn that 3,902 grams into mixed units. Okay. Okay, so when we add this up, we see that we have 1,077 grams. So we're going to turn that into 1 kilogram, 77 grams. Okay, so now Javier's dog weighs 28 kilograms, 77 grams, okay, because we added up the 2 kilograms. Okay, so number 7, the table to the right shows the weight of 3 grade 4 students. How much heavier is Isabel than the lightest student? Okay, so right away we see that we have mixed units and we also have grams. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Sue and I'm going to convert her weight into mixed units since Isabel and Irene both have kilograms. So I'm going to turn this into 29 kilograms, 238 grams. Okay, so now we're going to take Isabel, who has the heaviest weight, okay, and if we look at Irene and Sue, they both have 29 kilograms, okay, but Irene only has 38 grams. So Irene is going to be the lightest student. But we had to convert Sue in order to see that. Okay. So now we need to subtract to see how much heavier. Now, right away we see we don't have any grams to subtract from, so we're going to take 1 kilogram, turn it into 1,000 grams. Okay, so 0 minus 8, so we're going to take 100 tens, turn it into 99 tens, okay, and then now we have 10 ones. Okay, so 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, so we get 962 grams. Now we come over to our kilograms, and we have 34 minus 29, okay, so we have 5 kilograms, 962 grams. So Isabel weighs 5 kilograms, 962 grams more than Irene.